Okay, so I showed you that one, right? You see that one? Let me run over here and get it. Woo! So that's the first one, right? In my house. Woo! We've had a lot of water. I don't know how much we had. I wish I had a rain gauge out. Obviously, we've had a lot of water. You see that one down there behind me? There's another one. It's coming out of holes in the ground. Got to go somewhere, I guess. But that's crazy. I've never seen one spew that hard as that one back there. I can see it from here. That's crazy. Whew. Maybe it'll let up before people get hurt. I've already seen one wreck toward Clayton this morning. But that's lots of water. Later.